To use an HDFC Bank zero balance account, start by understanding what it is. A zero balance account is a type of savings account that does not require you to maintain a minimum balance. This makes it ideal for individuals who do not have a regular income or who want to save money without worrying about maintaining a minimum balance. First, you need to open a zero balance account with HDFC Bank. You can do this by visiting the nearest HDFC Bank branch or by applying online through the bank's website. You will need to provide your personal and identification details, such as your name, address, and Aadhaar number. Once your account is opened, you will receive a debit card and a checkbook. You can use the debit card to withdraw cash from ATMs or to make purchases online or offline. You can also use the checkbook to issue checks to pay bills or to transfer funds to other accounts. To manage your zero balance account, you can use HDFC Bank's online banking service or mobile banking app. These services allow you to check your account balance, view your transaction history, and transfer funds to other accounts. You can also use these services to pay bills, such as your electricity or water bill, and to recharge your mobile phone. One of the key benefits of a zero balance account is that it does not charge you any penalty for not maintaining a minimum balance. However, you may still be charged for certain services, such as ATM withdrawals or checkbook issuance. It is essential to understand the fees and charges associated with your account to avoid any unexpected costs. To get the most out of your zero balance account, it is crucial to use it regularly and to keep track of your transactions. You can set up alerts and notifications to inform you of any transactions on your account, which can help you to detect any suspicious activity. In addition, you can also use your zero balance account to take advantage of other banking services, such as direct deposit and bill pay. Direct deposit allows you to receive your salary or other payments directly into your account, while bill pay enables you to pay your bills online or through the mobile banking app. In conclusion, using an HDFC Bank zero balance account is a straightforward process that requires you to open an account, manage your account through online or mobile banking, and use your debit card and checkbook to make transactions. By following these steps and understanding the benefits and fees associated with your account, you can make the most out of your zero balance account and enjoy convenient and hassle-free banking.